subscribe our channel for next video. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. So today I'm going to do a face mask using only these 3 ingredients. So today we're using egg white because egg white have ability to tighten our skin, and honey for moisturizing, and lemon for whitening our skin. So we need 1 bowl to mix these ingredients and mix thoroughly. So same like this. Mix thoroughly and apply for face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes. So you can do this 3 times a week. If you continuing using this face mask, your skin it will be glowing, and if you continuing using this face mask, your face it will become glowing and rejuvenated. So please guys, don't forget to watch my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you and God bless.